अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बायो MDCAT इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे। हमारे पास टॉपिक है बायोडाइवर्सिटी, ए सेलुलर लाइफ, वैरायटी ऑफ लाइफ, सब टॉपिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वायरसेस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट MCQ है हमारे पास, प्रोटीन कोड ऑफ अ वायरस enclosing nucleic acid is called. Options are vector, capsid, plasmid, genome. Answer is option B, capsid. Next MCQ is, what is the approximate diameter of retroviruses? Options are 150 nanometer, 100 nanometer, 200 nanometer, 250 nanometer. Answer is option B, 100 nanometer. Next MCQ is, when a virus enters a cell and incorporates its RNA or DNA into host DNA, what is this stage called? Options are lysogeny, fermentation, symbiosis, synergism. Answer is option A, lysogeny. Next MCQ is, phage DNA incorporated into host DNA is referred as. Options are T4 phage, provirus, prophage, bacteriophage. Answer is option C, prophage. Next MCQ is, infectious RNA without capsid is called. Options are viron, virite, prion, virus. Answer is option B, viride. Next MCQ is, what does the size of virus range between? Options are 100 millimeter to 150 millimeter. Option B, 20 nanometer to 250 nanometer, 300 nanometer to 3000 nanometer, 3 nanometer to 30 nanometer. Answer is option B, 20 nanometer to 250 nanometer. Next MCQ is, which of the following statement is not true of viruses? Options are, viruses have been successfully grown in pure cultures in test tubes. All viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. All viruses have either DNA or RNA as their genetic material. Viruses probably arose from small fragments of cellular chromosomes. Answer is option A. Viruses have been successfully grown in pure cultures in test tube. Next MCQ is, what is the shape of the TMV? Options are rod, helical, tadpole, spherical. Answer is option A, rod shape. Next MCQ is, in icosahedral, the capsomeres are arranged in triangles. Options are 100, 200, 1000, none of these. Answer is Option D, none of these. Next MCQ is, in nucleus, the single-stranded DNA viral genome is converted to double-stranded DNA by. Options are DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, cell enzymes, proteins. Answer is option A, DNA polymerase. Next MCQ is, reverse transcriptase is a useful enzyme to have when. Options are RNA virus converts its RNA to DNA, there are no host cells present, nutrients are scarce, spikes are forming in the new virus. Answer is option A, RNA virus converts its RNA to DNA. Next MCQ is, what is a provirus? Options are free virus, free DNA, primitive virus, integrated viral genome. Answer is option D, integrated viral genome. Next MCQ is, the function of a viral capsid is. Options are protection against the viral genome from physical and enzymatic destruction, providing binding sites that enable the virus to attach to specific receptor sites on the host cell, serving as a vehicle of transmission from one host to another, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Next MCQ is, which of the following virus is enveloped? Options are adenovirus, herpes virus, poliovirus, none of these. Answer is option B, herpes virus. Next MCQ is, which of the following is not a described type of virus? Options are virus containing double-strand DNA, virus containing single-strand DNA, virus containing single-strand RNA, virus containing single-strand RNA and single-strand DNA. Correct option is D, which is virus containing single-strand RNA and single-strand DNA. Next MCQ is, the size of viruses is usually measured in. Options are centimeters, micrometers, nanometers, millimeters. Answer is option C, nanometer. Next MCQ is, icosahedral viruses have how many faces? Options are 20, 30, 10, 40. Answer is option A, 20. Next MCQ is, virus differ from bacteria by. Options are having capsids, having DNA, having RNA, having ribosomes. Answer is option A, having capsids. Next MCQ is, it is not true about viruses. Options are capsid has capsomeres, both DNA and RNA together as genome. Some are enveloped, many infect animals. Answer is option B, both DNA and RNA together as genome. Next MCQ is causative agent of smallpox is. Options are DNA enveloped virus, RNA enveloped virus, DNA virus, RNA virus. Answer is option A, DNA enveloped virus. Next MCQ is which of the following statements are true about the viruses? Options are free living, obligate parasites, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is option B, obligate parasites. Next MCQ is which factors may help to determine the antigenicity of a virus? Options are capsomeres, size of virus, whole capsid, internal proteins. Answer is option A, capsomeres. Next MCQ is which of the following has morphology of a helical virus? Options are TMV, T4 phage, pox virus, herpes virus. Answer is option A, TMV. Next MCQ is HBV is. Options are DNA enveloped virus, RNA enveloped virus, DNA virus, RNA virus. Answer is option A, DNA enveloped virus. Next MCQ is a structure which is located between the nucleocapsid and the envelope. Options are capsid, matrix protein, envelope, nucleocapsid. Answer is option B, matrix protein. Next MCQ is viroids lacks. Options are RNA, enzyme, protective protein coat, all of these. Answer is option C, protective protein coat. Next MCQ is what type of viruses are the paramyxoviruses? Options are DNA enveloped virus, RNA enveloped virus, DNA virus, Nick virus. Answer is option B, RNA enveloped virus. Next MCQ is which of the following viruses possess an envelope? Options are herpes virus, reovirus, poliovirus, papillomavirus. Answer is option A, herpes virus. Next MCQ is where does an icosahedral capsid consist of? Options are hexagonal capsomeres, pentagonal capsomeres, triangular capsomeres, both A and B? Answer is option A, hexagonal capsomeres. Next MCQ is viruses are limited in their host range because options are can only replicate in certain types of cell, certain cells are susceptible to virus infection, they can only enter cells that have proper specific receptor, they can only enter cells with glycoproteins. Answer is option C. They can only enter cells that have proper specific receptors. Next MCQ is viruses replicate on their own. Options are too small, lack metabolic machinery, have no cell wall, all of these. Answer is option B, lack metabolic machinery. Next MCQ is it is incorrect about virus. Options are acellular structure, DNA, RNA, metabolism. Answer is option D, metabolism. Students, next MCQs are from viral disease like AIDS topic. So let's start. First MCQ is the long chains of HIV proteins is cut down by proteases of. Options are HIV, host proteases, both viral and host proteases, none of these. Answer is option A, HIV. Next MCQ is whenever a virus encounters an unfamiliar organism, the virus may undergo multiple mutations and emerge as a variant that produces. Options are severe and novel disease, non-mutated, none of these. Answer is option B, novel disease. Next MCQ is in which year causative agent of AIDS was named? Options are 1986, 1980, 1992, 1970. Answer is option A, 1986. Next MCQ is the herpes virus is responsible for which of the following types of herpes? Options are simplex, quadruplex, triplex, duplex. Answer is option A, simplex. Next MCQ is Edward Jenner prepared vaccine against. Options are smallpox, mumps, measles, chickenpox. Answer is option A, smallpox. Next MCQ is major cell infected by HIV. Options are T killer lymphocytes, T helper lymphocytes, T suppressor lymphocytes, T memory lymphocytes? Answer is option B, T helper lymphocytes. Next MCQ is, which of the following molecule facilitates the entry of HIV in human body? Options are liposomes, glycoprotein, polysaccharides, lipopolysaccharides. Answer is option B, glycoprotein. Next MCQ is, prominent symptoms of AIDS. Answer is pneumonia, rapid weight loss, extreme and unexplained tiredness, all of these. Answer is option D, all of these. Next MCQ is, for the synthesis of messenger RNA, HIV uses. Options are viral RNA polymerase, cytoplasmic RNA polymerase, post RNA polymerase, none of the above. Answer is option C, post RNA polymerase. Next MCQ is, a person with viral load of HIV-1, if untreated, leads to. Options are cancer, hepatitis, jaundice, AIDS. Answer is option D, AIDS. Next MCQ is, which of the following is more virulent? Options are HIV-2, HIV-1A, HIV-1, HIV-2A. Answer is option C, HIV-1. Next MCQ is, there is no vaccine against HIV. What is the possible reason for this? Options are virus mutates rapidly, vaccine is very expensive, vaccine can be controlled by change in hygiene, none of these. Answer is option A, virus mutates rapidly. Next MCQ is, HIV mainly attacks on. Options are CD4 site of T cells, B cells, white blood cells, none of these. Answer is option A, CD4 site of T cells. Next MCQ is, chimpanzee has instead of HIV. Options are SIV, CIV, HBV, HIV-2. Answer is option A, SIV. Next MCQ is, AIDS is caused by. Options are human immunodeficiency virus, paramyxovirus, influenza virus, retrovirus. Answer is human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. Option A. Next MCQ is, what is meant by HIV positive? Options are, a person has AIDS A person having two positive tests for HIV. A person can transmit the HIV. A person is safe from AIDS. Answer is option A. A person has AIDS. Next MCQ is the replication of the HIV nucleic acid depends on. Options are replicase, reverse transcriptase, transcriptase, reverse replicase. Answer is option B, reverse transcriptase. Next MCQ is viral genome in integrated into host genome by which of the following enzymes? Options are integrase, DNA incorporase, reverse transcriptase, protease. Answer is option A, integrase. सो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे एमसीक्यू कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. होपफुली आपको समझ आ गए होंगे. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड सेकेंडली other important MCQs videos will also come to this channel. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.